Should we sit on that?
Yeah. Yeah, just cross the road. Do it. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I didn't know you could sit back there.
You see, that's where it's at.
Oh man. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, he's
coming
up with the road. Yeah.
Do it. Do it.
Like, giving you peer pressure. Come on.
Hello, Mr. Giraffe. There he goes.
Here he comes.
Step by step.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Look how amazing it is. It's like
Are you taking a video? When it runs.
oh, they're so awesome.
You let him know we're sitting on the top, so it
No,
doesn't
it's
get too
alright.
loud. I'll kiss you guys. That is seriously awesome. That was the best part.
You try to sit up.
Crossing over.
Watch him run, yeah. Look at the sky behind me. You gotta get it.
How do you sit on the front?